Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use the timeline in Asana. So let's say that you have the project plan and you're gonna have the timeline here. Here in the timeline, what we can find and how it actually works. So on the left, we can see that we can simply add a task, and I can write a task name. So let's say this is going to be the marketing guide, and you always can change the length of the task here. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now when I would go to the list here, I see the marketing guide and I see the due date is changing. Only because I'm changing it right here. So that's the first thing. Always you're gonna have the sections here. So you're gonna have the to do and the doing and done in timeline also on the left side. Then you're gonna find like all the other tasks, and you can always see click anywhere to add a task. So that's completely up to you where you're actually gonna input the task. Now when you go further, you can see that today you can have like incomplete task, complete the task, all tasks. You can have it by days, by quarters, half a year, a year. So that's something you can do. Then you can sort it up. In a moment, guys, when you're gonna click on a day, it's going to automatically move you directly for today, so you can see all the tasks that needs to be done. So then you can have the color, and you can have default, and you can change the priority, status or status. So you can always change the color of it. And then you're gonna find the unscheduled tasks. So that's pretty much it. And you can save layout as default, search the project, and that's pretty much it. So here it's pretty simple and pretty easy. I'm going to make it half a year to days and today, and I'm going to also show you how you can create dependency. So let's have a marketing guide. What I can do, I can easily drag it right here, let's say, and then what I can do, I can create dependency when I would take this here and just move it here. So here you can easily add dependencies. And now you see dependency blocked by the determine project goal. So that's something interesting we can do. And that's pretty much it. So in a moment when you're gonna have a scheduled kickoff meeting, you can simply add a deadline. And now it's like this one is blocking marketing guide, and this is that you're gonna have the blocked by, and then you are able to see it also in your list here. So that's pretty much it, and this is how we do it. Now if you're gonna have any questions regarding the list in Asana, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, so thank you very much guys, have a great day and goodbye.